If you want to stop your joints from feeling like they're failing you, you have to start treating them like they are broken. I'm Paul from Physio Rehab, and today we are going through the 2 times per week osteoarthritis strength protocol. We have 4 movement patterns: the squat, the hinge, push, and the pull. For each one, I'm going to show you level 1, 2, and 3. Your mission is simple. Pick the level where you hit the fizzy sweet spot. That is a pain scale of 0 to 4 out of 10. 0, no pain, and 10 is I am going to die pain. And a rate of perceived exertion of 7 to 9 out of 10. 1 equals no effort, and 10 is maximum effort. This means you could only do 1 repetition of that exercise, or you could literally only do 1 squat. It's so difficult. 7 to 9 means that you could do another 2 or 3 repetitions. If it's too easy, you won't get stronger, and if the pain is 5 or 6 out of 10, you're overdoing it. Find that sweet spot, and you've found the path to recovery and a way to build strength with science. You only need to do 25 to 50 repetitions of each exercise per week. If you're a beginner, stick to 25 per week. Click the link at the bottom of your screen to watch the full exercise routine.